Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file your income tax return. First, gather all your essential financial documents like Form 16 and any Form 1099 you may have received. Next, choose a reliable and authorized e-filing platform to begin the process. Ensure you understand the benefits of filing electronically, such as faster processing and increased accuracy. This initial preparation is key to a smooth experience. Once you've selected your platform, accurately enter all your income details from documents like Form 16 or Form 1099. Take your time to claim all eligible deductions and exemptions, as this can significantly impact your tax liability. Before proceeding, thoroughly review all your tax calculations to ensure everything is correct and complete. Double-checking prevents errors. After a final, careful review of your entire return, you can confidently submit it electronically. The next crucial step is to verify your return, often done using an Aadhaar OTP or through net banking. This verification confirms your submission. Always remember to save a copy of the acknowledgement for your records, as it serves as proof of your filing. After successfully e-filing, it's a good idea to monitor your refund status online if you're expecting one. Be sure to respond promptly to any notices you might receive from the tax department to avoid complications. And hey, while you're taking care of important things, why not treat yourself? Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. Check the description for the link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.